upbeat music plays, welcome back to our channel where we help you make those smart shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. Yes, folks, it's time to mop the floor with, well, mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and on my right, we have the Neugo Steam Mop. One is a genius, and the other one, well, let's see if it's a Neugo. So grab your rubber gloves and let's clean up this comparison. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Shark S5003D Genius will set you back around $129. According to reviewers, it's considered a good investment for its innovative features and effectiveness in cleaning. However, the Neugo Steam Mop is a bit kinder to your wallet at just $109. Users appreciate its value for money, highlighting its efficiency in cleaning floors. So if you're looking to save some cash, the Neugo could be your new best friend. In the battle of the prices, Neugo takes the lead. But remember, you get what you pay for, or do you? Now, let's dive into water tank capacity. The Shark comes with a 220 milliliter water tank, which is enough for small rooms. Reviewers have mentioned that while it cleans efficiently, frequent refills can be a hassle. On the other hand, Neugo comes in hot with a removable 15.2-ounce tank, which is about 450 milliliters. More water means less stopping to refill, and many users have highlighted this feature as a significant advantage, especially for larger cleaning tasks. So if you have a mansion to clean, Neugo's your mop. Looks like Neugo is taking a splash in this round. Next up, steam temperature. The Shark's got a nice touch with its 1,200 watts of steam power. Reviewers appreciate its ability to tackle tough stains effectively. But wait, Neugo cranks it up to a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Users rave about this feature, stating it helps blast away grime better than other mops. If you want to blast away dirt like a superhero, Neugo might be your sidekick. In the steam showdown, Neugo is definitely turning up the heat. Now let's see how adjustable these bad boys are. Shark features 3 intelligent steam settings, which many users find very handy for different floor types. On the flip side, Neugo has an adjustable steam mode that lets you choose your steam intensity. Reviewers love this versatility, making it perfect for delicate floors and tough stains alike. Neugo is taking the win here with its mood swings. Technology time. Shark boasts genius head with direct steam channeling. Reviewers admire this advanced technology for its cleaning efficiency and ease of use. However, Neugo has an adjustable height feature, which users find extremely convenient for their cleaning needs. Plus, it's lightweight and has a 23 feet cord for maximum coverage, perfect for those who like to dance while they mop. In the tech showdown, Shark takes the Genius Award, but Neugo definitely wins the flexibility contest. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and appeal to different types of users. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is praised for its advanced technology and effectiveness on tough stains, while the Neugo Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, larger water tank, and adjustable steam settings. Both products have garnered positive feedback, making them solid choices for anyone in the market for a steam mop. So there you have it. In our steamy showdown, Neugo takes the crown for price, water tank capacity, steam temperature, and adjustability, while Shark shines in its genius tech features. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse, go with Neugo. But if you want that genius level of cleaning tech, Shark might be worth the extra bucks. Remember, whichever mop you choose, don't forget to dance while you clean. It burns calories. If you enjoyed this comparison, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Buy Smart content, and let us know in the comments which mop you think deserves the title of Best Steam Mop. Until next time, stay smart, stay clean, and keep mopping. Waves.